Welcome to this beautifully renovated home nestled in the trees in a truly ideal Northwest Portland location. It's in walking distance to the popular Northwest 23rd, its many restaurants and boutiques, and it backs to Macleay Park, Balch Creek, and in close proximity to Forest Park. The wide, covered front porch welcomes you to this 110-year-old piece of Portland history. Discover gorgeous modern updates with original timestamps at every turn. Large windows fill the home with natural light, showcasing the original glass pocket doors and original hardwoods throughout the main level. The kitchen features high-end appliances, including a Sub-Zero fridge, electric induction cooktop, double ovens, and a walk-in pantry. You'll find charming built-in seating from the breakfast area to a workspace. It opens to a new multi-level lighted deck with Trex decking in a serene, tranquil setting. From your main level office or bedroom, take in peaceful views. The oversized master bedroom includes a walk-in closet with organizers, and it's filled with natural light. Throughout the upper level, you'll find historically accurate, yet recent Washington fir hardwoods. The perfect studio apartment or guest quarters awaits downstairs in the recently remodeled lower level, complete with a kitchenette, its own private entrance, and a gorgeous full bath with a heated tile floor. Whether taking in views from your private deck or entertaining under the trees, it's easy to relax in this quiet oasis. There's plenty of room for family fun or exploring the grounds, where you'll find a treehouse that could be a perfect playhouse, art, or yoga studio. A highly desirable home in the Golden Triangle of Northwest Portland, walkable to parks, trails, schools, shops, and restaurants. It's all here ready for you to call home. To schedule your own personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582 or email steve@nassarteam.com. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.